I reach 1,000 subscribers, which we are so close to. Just over the weekend I got to 700, which thank you guys so much. I can't even believe that I have 700 people who like my videos. Anyways, but make sure you subscribe because as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I am going skydiving for you guys. And you can follow me on Instagram over here at Crafty Novel Geek. And today I'm so excited because when I was little, like around the age 10 and up, I mean, I'm still obsessed, but I was obsessed with LPS videos. I'm talking like LPS Popular. I really liked Experiment 42. Let's see, LPS Super was another good one. It was a time, okay? I don't know if it's maybe like a 2000s girly thing, but it definitely was a time. You had to be there. And I loved LPS Popular like so much. And it's just such an iconic series. It's just kind of sad that it, you know, there's never really been a conclusion to it. I mean, fingers crossed, you never know. But today I thought it'd be so much fun to recreate some of the outfits in the show. Now this is gonna be a little bit tricky to do because they're like little toys, yay big. And what they're wearing isn't like a lot to go off of, but mostly I'm just gonna be doing inspired by. So what I think they would wear if they were like a real person. So I'm really excited to show you guys, and I guess without further ado, let's get straight into it. So for this first look, I was very inspired by Savannah before her makeover, and I wanted to kind of capture that very down-to-earth girl next door kind of feel. So I wanted to make this as comfy and plain as possible. So I started out with some basic wide cut jeans and a brown tank top. And then I put on this brown flannel, and I thought this was so cute. It just kind of gives it a cozy, down-to-earth kind of vibe. Very just chill, and I would think it looks so cute. Then I went ahead and added a scrunchie because I thought it was so cute. And of course, her iconic glasses at the very beginning. And that's the completed look for the pre-makeover. I think it's so stinking cute. And honestly, Savannah, I think, would have been beautiful even before her makeover.
It's amazing.
Now for our second look, it's obviously right after her makeover, the first time showing up back at school, wearing the iconic flower in her hair, and I thought this was just such a fun idea. I again started with a basic pair of wide jeans, but this time I paired them with a ruched tube top. Then I went ahead and paired it with this necklace with butterflies on it, and I think this is so pretty and delicate. Then I went ahead and put a bracelet on just as another accessory. Then I went ahead and I parted my hair down the side because I figured this was more flare, and put the flower in on the other side. Now this is such a cute look, but a bit more flamboyant than what she was going for before.
This is basically the best thing that's ever happened to me.
Now this next look actually comes from the episode where she was addressing all of the rumors about her and kind of had a little comeback.
How's your rash? How's your acne? Is it true you kiss any boy you can get your hands on?
Is it true that you're actually a hippopotamus? I'm a rhinoceros.
So how I started out this outfit was pairing it with a pair of white shorts and then this really cute striped tank top which has all sorts of colors. Then I went ahead and paired it with this necklace that I have and some bracelets. I think this is such a cute look already, but the bow really pulls it all together. I just put that in the back of my hair and it's so stinking cute.
Oh my dog.
This next look is the one I was most excited for because I think this is the outfit she would have worn on the day that Tom asked her to be his girlfriend.
Savannah, I think you're the most beautiful girl at OCD, and I like you a lot. Will you take this necklace and be my girlfriend?
Yes, Tom. I will.
At this point, she's getting really confident. This outfit in the episode was a bit more sparkly and bedazzled, so I went ahead and put on this shiny pink cami top that I have, and then I had this like jeweled scarf in my closet that I don't usually wear, and I decided to use it as a belt Then I went ahead and paired it with these hair clips that were also sparkly and some sparkly earrings. And of course, we can't forget the iconic silver necklace that Tom got her to ask her to be his girlfriend. To be honest, when I first watched LPS Popular, I was Team Tom all the way. He's such a sweetie.
It looks beautiful on me.
Now this next outfit I was so excited for, as it's inspired by the party that Brooke was holding where Savannah showed up dressed as an angel.
There was no need to stop the party for us, guys.
I don't have a halo for this outfit, but I still managed to pull something off. So I started out with this really cute, white, unassuming dress, very innocent, very pure. Then I went ahead and pulled my hair up with those same silver jewelry hair clips as before. And you can't forget Tom's special locket. I borrowed a pair of wings from my sister, and that's the whole completed look right there.
You look angelic.
And now we move on to the famous Brooke Hayes. With this first outfit, it's inspired by her iconic polka dot and pink pants and the pink collar that she's wearing when they're scheming against Savannah. And I thought this was such an iconic look, and I had to recreate it. So first I took these bright pink patterned shorts and paired it with a white tube top. Then I went ahead and paired it with this gold choker. Then I went ahead and parted my hair to the side, as I feel like she's the kind of girl that would swish her hair back and forth all the time. Definitely more showy than the outfits I was doing for Savannah.
Impeccable fashion sense.
Now with this next look, I actually wasn't inspired by anything in particular, besides the fact that we see Brooke wearing a skirt multiple times throughout the show. And I put together this yellow top with this really cute blue skirt. And then I put my hair into a side ponytail, and then I went ahead and paired it with some earrings and some bracelets.
So beautiful.
Now, of course, I have to recreate her outfit from the night of the party. Now, for this one, I don't have any red, but I did my best with what I did have. What I did was I wore this black bikini top that I have, then I got this black skirt. Obviously, I don't have a Gucci belt, but I feel like Brooke Hayes would, and she would wear it. Now, I don't have devil horns, but again, my sister let me borrow a pair of her wings, and I thought this was just as good.
It's a little skimpy, but
This last look was inspired by when Brooke's life completely fell apart right after the party, and she was sitting at home falling into a deep depression. Now, even though Brooke is not a nice person, I can't help but feel so bad for her. Now, starting out, I tried to wear as plain of clothes as possible, so I threw on this pair of gray ripped jeans and a gray tank top, and I put my hair into a messy bun. Then I went ahead and grabbed this purple poncho that I had in my closet, and I threw it over. It's just very comfy, very comforting. Now, this is such a comfy outfit, and I can see why she was wearing this during her darkest hours. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, because as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be wearing skydiving for you guys. And you can follow me on Instagram over here at LiQWYD. And remember that self-love is half learned and half earned. So make sure to learn to love yourself from the tip of your nose to the tip of your toes. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!